Unit 13. Analysis. One of the biggest reasons people are concerned about making a mistake in a speech is that they view speech making as a performance rather than an act of communication. They feel the audience is judging them against a scale of absolute perfection in which every misstated word or awkward gesture will count against them. But speech audiences are not like judges in a violin recital or an ice skating contest. They are not looking for a virtuoso performance, but for a well-thought-out address that communicates the speaker's ideas clearly and directly. The audience often judge people by their appearance or speaking manner instead of listening to what they say. Sometimes an error or two can actually enhance a speaker's appeal by making her or him seem more human. Practice. Number 1. Some ecosystems, over a wide range of sites and purposes, are constructed by humans. For example, we may construct shallow ponds or a series of canals known as bioswales that collect runoff of surface water. Marsh plants, such as cattails, when planted in ponds or canals, use and remove nutrients and water that's delivered to them as a waste or pollutant, helping clean the water. Specially designed wetland ecosystems have been constructed where bacteria and plants process mine wastewater and help remove toxins from water. The greatest water pollution problem in the world today is lack of disease-free drinking water for about 20% of the world's population. Other large-scale ecosystems are constructed to partially treat urban wastewater. Human-constructed ecosystems are part of what is known as biological engineering. Number 2. Mobile communications have changed the way we interact with our computers, and, as more time is spent on mobile devices, emoticon use has followed. Cellular phones, smartphones, tablets, and similar technologies have penetrated the world at an enormous rate, and non-voice communications have become the norm rather than the rule. In 2013, the number of mobile subscriptions almost equaled the estimated number of individuals that made up the global population in the same year. Some individuals choose to reject the use of mobile communication, often due to concerns over privacy. Users of these technologies have posted, pinned, tweeted, sent, and/or received billions of electronic messages through public or private text messages, emails, etc. means. These communications media have become so prolific, researchers have worried that face-to-face communications could become extinct. Number 3. When a region of the emotional brain is overexcited due to frustration, sadness, or any other intense emotion, the child is not able to contain their mood. This is when the tantrums occur, situations in which the child closes in on themselves and is not able to do what they are told, or comments are made which the parents find hard to deal with. Literally, the child is outside themselves, outside their rational part. To help them calm down and to see reason, the best strategy is a hug and an emphatic reflection of the situation to diffuse the intensity of the emotion. Childhood memories are formed and stored in our brain, shaping a person's understanding of the world. A spoken word will form a bridge between the two worlds, allowing the child's rational brain to help soothe their emotions, or at least give them the ability to listen to what their parents are saying.